On this day, that is 4th July 2012, 10 years back, a new particle was discovered at Large Hadron Collider at CERN in Switzerland. The name of the particle is Higgs boson. This particle was formulated by physicist Peter Higgs. So today, 10 years had completed for this discovery. The discovery of Higgs boson at Large Hadron Collider is milestones in the achievements of physics. So during 1960s, physicist Peter Higgs and other scientists were curious to know how particle gets mass. So the things which are around us, how they get mass. So to understand this, let's take what is mass. So mass is, we can say mass is a bulk of matter. So if I have to push something or move something, I feel resistance while changing its position while pushing something. So that resistance is actually the mass. So in the year 1964, Peter Higgs and other scientists they published a paper in which they mention about Higgs boson. So there is a Higgs field all around us, and when particles, the elementary particles, when they move through the field, they experience a drag, and the excitation in the Higgs field is actually the Higgs boson. So when the particles gets dragged into that field, when they accelerate through that field, they gets dragged into that field. They experience some resistance while moving through that field, and that resistance, that excitation of energy is actually the mass of that particle. So this is how the basic idea of Higgs boson. Detecting Higgs boson is very much difficult because it decays immediately after a very short interval of time. So we can't detect it directly. At Large Hadron Collider, we can detect it by indirect method. So we can detect the particles which are created by after the decay of Higgs boson. So after billions of collision, only one Higgs boson is created. The probability is that much. So it is very much difficult to detect it. But after many years of work and efforts by thousands of scientists at Large Hadron Collider, they precisely measured the masses of each particle after decay, after several collisions, and they analyzed the data very precisely, and finally they indirectly detected the particle of Higgs boson. So we get confirmation about the existence of this particle, and because of this, Peter Higgs won the Nobel Prize. If Higgs boson doesn't existed, and if matter does not gain mass, then neither of the structure in the universe would have created. No stars, not planets, neither even we, our life wouldn't existed. So we exist because of Higgs boson. So that's why this discovery is very remarkable one.